Now the last item I want to show you is the Sleep and Beyond pillowcase pair. Now these are also 300 thread count sateen cotton, organic cotton. Now you're asking yourself, okay, what is organic cotton? Because isn't it all organic? No, organic cotton means that the seeds have not been genetically modified. So they are grown completely natural. Now this is combed cotton, completely hypoallergenic and pre-shrunk for additional comfort. Oh, that just feels so good. And you're looking at about $35 for the pair. Really great value for money. I'm sure that you are as impressed as I was with all the Sleep and Beyond products. They are so luxurious, so comfortable, yet they are organic, sustainable production. They pay fair wages. They give 5% of every product to a charity. I mean, this is like the perfect brand. I'm leaving links to their website down below as well as their Instagram page. Go check out a lot more of him on that. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.